Paid Off is already incredible just by itself. I mean, what other product allows you to pay off your home in less than 7 years without changing your lifestyle a bit? I've talked at length about the benefits that Paid Off offers, but today I want to reveal 3 things that you'll never have to worry about again when switching to Paid Off. The last one absolutely blew me away, and I know you won't want to miss it either. Let's get into it. With Paid Off, you will never have to refinance again, whether for a lower rate, that kitchen remodel, or even to pay off debt. And this is huge. Why? Because every time you refinance with a traditional mortgage, you're paying thousands of dollars in closing costs, which just increase your loan amount and it delays you from paying off your loan. In fact, it usually takes between 2 to 5 years to recoup those closing fees. Sadly, some people actually sell their house within a year or two of refinancing and they never recoup those fees. Not only that, you're starting the clock over on your loan, and the bank loves this because it means they get to restart the amortization schedule all over again. If you've seen my video on swapping out your traditional mortgage for Paid Off, you know that banks make all of their money from interest payments in the first half of your loan. So of course they want you to refinance. With Paid Off, you have a 30-year line of credit that you can pull from at any time without any paperwork, no hassle, and no fees. Number 2, you will never miss an opportunity again. Whether it's a deal on a rental property, a discounted car you've been eyeing, or the ability to take on an investment. With a stroke of a pen or a quick phone call, you can immediately finance any opportunity that comes your way. I can't tell you how amazing this ability is. I have personally been able to fund real estate and investment deals without stepping into a bank or getting approved.
I even know a paid off client that was able to get their dream car by simply writing a check when 6 other potential buyers couldn't even qualify for financing.
This last revelation is the one that absolutely floored me. And to be honest, it wasn't even pitched to me when I was looking into Paid Off. I actually came to realize it on my own after being in the loan for several months. See, with Paid Off, you never have to worry about foreclosure again. I said, you never have to worry about foreclosure again. Unlike a traditional mortgage, you are not required to make a monthly payment. There is no penalty whatsoever if you have zero income. Remember that with Paid Off, you're replacing your traditional mortgage with a HELOC. As you pay that HELOC down, you're not only paying down your home loan, but you're also increasing the HELOC line of credit. So for example, you might have $200,000 left on your loan, but you have paid $50,000 down on your HELOC, which means you have an available line of credit of $50,000. So where am I going with this? With Paid Off, you are simply charged an interest fee each month based on the outstanding balance of your HELOC. You're not writing a check for this fee. It's simply added to your HELOC balance automatically by the bank. This results in a slight increase in your HELOC balance as well as a slight decrease in your line of credit. So if you were to lose your job, have a medical emergency, or any other loss of income, your house will be completely safe from foreclosure as long as you have money in your line of credit to pay the monthly
Okay,
interest fee.
so
So some of you may be saying, well, my statement isn't quite true. You could eventually be foreclosed on if your line of credit completely dries up. This is true, but in most cases, Paid Off clients have a very healthy line of credit from the get-go. It would literally take years to exhaust that line of credit. In fact, I reached out to my lender about this question, and they have never had a client enter foreclosure since they started these loans in 2005. That's insane. In fact, they've never had to do a forbearance even during the 2008 recession and the recent pandemic. With a traditional mortgage, you will be reported after just a few months of missed payments, and they will most certainly start the foreclosure process. With Paid Off, you will never have to worry about this again, and I can't tell you what a relief that is as a homeowner and a father of 3 children. No matter what life sends my way, I can go years without worrying about losing the roof over my family's head. This product is absolutely amazing, and the 3 things I've outlined here are just the icing on the cake. Check out my videos for more information on how Paid Off works and what it has done for my family. In fact, please subscribe and follow along as I pay my house down over the next 5 years. And of course, reach out to the good folks at Paid Off. Their website is linked below, and they're just amazing to work with. You won't regret it.